The Air Jordan 6 Retro Low arrives with a bold yet refined look, proving that an all-black sneaker can still deliver strong visual impact. This pair stands out through its full pony hair upper, where the short, textured finish reflects light unevenly and creates natural depth across the surface. Instead of a flat black appearance, the shifting direction of the hair produces subtle shadows and layers that elevate the overall design. The low-cut silhouette offers a clean profile around the ankle, balanced by the signature Air Jordan 6 midsole and visible structure. Ventilation panels add depth while maintaining function, and the iconic heel pull tab delivers a classic touch. Light gray and white accents on the midsole provide contrast, while the translucent outsole reveals detailed construction underneath. Inspired by the original model worn during Michael Jordan's first championship run, this modern update blends heritage, luxury materials, and street-ready style into one standout release.